Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger, another highly recommended video requested. People have been asking me to do a master list of net 30s / net 60s that's reporting to the business credit bureaus. Now, I probably got about 1 or 2 reporting as a net 60. Most of them is reporting a net 30. And just to let you know, before we move on, I want to let you know you could get on the phone with customer service, call them up, let them know you would like to create an account, do your user, your password, and once you start buying products off of whatever website I'm going to show you, they will invoice you. After you get that invoice, you have 30 days to repay it. If it's a net 60, you have 60 days to repay it. My advice to you, when I was on my journey and using net 30, as soon as I got that invoice, I paid it the same day. If you're looking to build your business credit the proper way, follow my steps. You could go get my ebook. I'm going to show you the free ebooks that everybody going to get at the end of this video. But let me show you the list. First, you're going to be able to go to Coast to Coast Office Supply. They report to Experian. Very easy process. Go ahead, fill out the application, and start building your business credit profile and your credit score. Next on the list is 9 to 5 Essential Plus. So again, you trying to buy some products for your business, whatever it might be, you could go ahead there and at the same time start building your business credit scores. Again, most of these is going to be reporting to Experian Business, Equifax Business, and Dun & Bradstreet, and you don't have to worry about absolutely no credit check. I know a lot of times people worry about that, right? Next on the list is probably, out of all of them, my favorite net 30 to add on your business profile. The reason why is that through my journey years ago, I had a lot of issues with certain net 30s. With Crown Office Supplies, I never had an issue, reported on time, monthly, and I'll probably say this is the best one to add that everybody should be added. But again, do your own research. You could take my advice, your mom advice, your dad advice, your advisor advice, whoever advice you might be taking. Do your own research before you make your final decision. I'm just telling you, this was my favorite one of all. And this is the application. I'll show you what you need to do. Very easy, very simple. Fill out the application. Next on the list is Harbor Freight, another great stores. If you're looking for supplies, depending on your business and what you're doing, you can add them as a net 30 and start building that business credit. And they actually got a business credit card as well that report to the business side. Next on the list is the CEO Creative, another one, another net 30 you can add on application. Very easy, very simple. And again, I want everybody to always to do your own research, do your own reviews before you choose the one that works for you, depending on what business field that you are. But again, you want to build that business credit score, you can go ahead and add them. Next on the list is another one I use is Shirsty. Now, this one you can shop if you're looking for any kind of apparel for your business. You're trying to put your logo like I do on most of all my shirts, sweaters, hoodies, whatever it may be. You could get that there and start building that business. And that will be in the link below. Another great one that I use, Quill. I've been using for a lot of years. I don't use any of the net 30s anymore. I stopped these years ago. I'm more advanced, so but if you in the phase of beginning, these are good and could start increasing them business scores as well. Quill is very simple, net 30, go ahead and apply, get on customer service. For me, if it was me, I would do customer service for whatever one I pick, so I can ask all the questions, I can know exactly what's going on moving forward. Next on the list, Office Gardener is another one, been around a long time. You're trying to build your business. If you want to know any kind of more information in depth, I got old videos on this as well. Next on the list is Wise Business Plan. Wise Business Plan is pretty much, out of all the ones I'm showing you right now, is probably the newest, I'll probably have to say. But so if you want to scale your business and you're trying to create a business plan, this might be for you. And at the same time, they will be reporting to the business credit bureaus, which is really good. And they got a customer service number right here. Get on that phone, ask all the questions you need to know. Again, next on the list and last on the list is NAV. Now, if you're trying to build your business credit scores, everybody should be having NAV in 2026, so you can monitor what's reporting and what's not reporting, which is really good. And at the same time, they will be adding a trade line, right? So those are 10 net 30 / net 60s. that you'll be able to add in 2026 and start building your business credit profile so it can start looking professional, right? So let's go to my website where I'm going to be giving you a free ebook. For anybody that want to drop a line, got any kind of information or any kind of questions, you could go right down here, drop me a line, give me a couple hours, and I'll get right back to you, right? So let's go over to the store section. In the store section, let's start off with the first ebook that I will be giving away for free, that I've been doing the whole 2025, 2024, and now 2026. Nothing has changed. I've been giving y'all the game. I want to see everybody win. So for all those that's building a personal credit, again, go ahead and download your free ebook. And this ebook got the collection removal letters, charge-off letters, late payments, inquiries. If you're in the check systems, I have all the steps. When you want to know how to build your credit profile in the first 90 days, I have everything in this ebook, right? So let's go over to what we're talking about. Let's click onto this. And this is in the description right below the video. So you go right on, click my website, go on the website, go to the store section where I'm showing you, and download it for absolutely free. You want to build that business credit profile so it can look good, it can look professional. I got everything in here from A to Z, so it should not be any kind of excuse, people. So again, you got all 10 net 30s / net 60s. I got about 2 net 60s in here that you could do, and you can start building your business profile, make it look professional, and do it the right way, people. This was a highly recommended video that people was asking about, so I figure that I will bring it to you. That's the list. But eventually my next ebook, I'm probably gonna have about 30 to 40 net 30s, and I have it organized where I have a list of net 30s and a list of net 60s. If you're interested, you can move forward and you can start building that business credit. I want to see everybody win. If you want to lock in with a one-on-one with me so we can sit down and we can get personal, and I can help you hands-on and show you how to build that personal credit or that business credit the right way and the proper way, man. Get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.